welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot fucking minute. I've been vlogging. I have the vlog, so watch that. But I got in my Ipsy bag today, and yeah, I was like, okay, I need to film that. I got some new products and I need to film. I have a candy in my mouth, so you can hear me going. It's because of that. And yeah, so I'm on my pajamas, toda manchada. I wasn't even gonna film, but I was like, girl, you need to stop being a lazy ass bitch. Although I'm lazy today, I've been working like every day. I've been teaching dancing, so I've been really busy with that. But I was like, I took the day off today. I've been in the sun. I may look like I have a really nice bronze or whatever. It's just like I'm burned. Like I got burned. My chest is like 2 different colors. I've been out in the sun. So I broke 2 fucking nails. Like, and I just don't want to go get my nails fixed right now. Like, I'm just that lazy, but I need to because I have the event tomorrow. No, I have it on Saturday. I got my hair retouched, finally wearing my hair down, but I know you guys are like, bitch, just get on with the fucking video and show me what you got in your Ipsy bag. So that is what we're gonna do. So and here we go. So we're gonna open this up and see what I got, and I'm gonna show the little card. But the little card is already inside the bag, so I already like the bag as it is. I already saw it, so sorry. But here's what the little card looks like. If you don't know what Ipsy is, I don't know where you've been sleeping, under a rock maybe, but I put the link in the description in the bottom. Check that out. And it shows me like products that are in my bag, and I don't want to see that. I would like to be surprised. So this just says welcome to the block party. So this is what the card looks like. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the bag. This is what my bag looks like this month. It freaking matches my ring. Like, I love this bag. This is so pretty. It's so vibrant. It's so green. And the fact is that I love the bags that feel like this, because I mentioned in every freaking video that I do in Ipsy unbagging, it's easy to clean, like anything that you spill on here. So it kind of reminds me of like leaves, but I don't know, I like it. It's pretty, it's out there, and I don't think I've ever gotten a green bag from Ipsy. So then I've been with Ipsy about 2 years already. And then you see the little material inside. This right here reminds me of like a freaking watermelon, like the green and the little, you know, the red inside, the strawberry color. So it's a watermelon. It just says Ipsy. And then this is really cool. The little zipper looks like a freaking thing from Minecraft. Like little blocks. So that's what that looks like. So before I get into what's in my bag, this was already in Does It Fit? So I already got a brush, and I've been getting a lot of brushes from them, which I ain't complaining because I love brushes. So this looks really cool. It's like rainbow colors, so I don't know if it's just because it's a Pride month, but I'm cool with that. And it has like little blocks on it to match the little, you see that, like little, I don't know, to match a little thing on here. So anyway, I thought it was cool. And you can never have enough blending brushes, because I'm just that girl that I don't like to wash my brushes. It's just too many brushes for me to wash. So I'm like, yeah, I got a clean one and I can use it tomorrow. Okay, so let's open up what else is in here. So I already see a Pixie Skin Treats. This is a Glow Mud Cleanser. So I cannot wait to use this, because I've been running out of all my like cleaning, like my face skincare stuff. So I can't wait to try this. And I like Pixie, to be honest with you. Pixie's a really nice drugstore brand, although they are a little bit pricey, let's be honest. But I don't know, I got it in my Ipsy thingy. Next is the Pearless Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. And let's be honest, it's already like watermelon month, because I don't know, like our watermelon festival already passed. I wanted to go, but Addison had to be the Shrimpery Parade, which is like a shrimp festival also in the parade and stuff. But that is so cool, and I've been craving watermelon like crazy. So I've tried their products before. I haven't tried that one though. Then the next one is by Laneige, I guess. It's Water Bank Moisturizer Cream, and it looks like this. Like this. Can you see it? Okay, so we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what the little inside looks like. This kind of reminds me of the I have it here somewhere, the packaging of let's see if I can find it somewhere. I don't want to go through all that, but yeah. So this one is a moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin, which I have oily skin, but I've been getting really dry right here, so that would work perfect for my face for that area. And last but not least is a Junte Blue, which I love the products. This is a liquid eyeliner. Oh, hell yeah, bitch. Like, I was running out of my eyeliner, and again, I don't feel like going to the store to go get an eyeliner. But I can't wait to open this. It's gonna take a while. Let me come back. That's candy sour. Okay. Now, I finally opened it. It is a Art Makeup Liquid Eyeliner 24 hour. And it looks like that. So. Ooh. But is it black? It looks kind of brown, but I don't know. Maybe it is black and I'm just seeing crap. It doesn't say the color. I don't know. Either way, it's a new eyeliner and I love eyeliners, so that is that. So that was all that was in my Ipsy bag. It's okay, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I'm still debating, guys, whether to stop Ipsy for a while and try BoxyCharm. I'm thinking about it. I'm not too sure, because I've been with Ipsy for like a long time. Like, if they're paying me right. No, I've been like subscribed like to their box for like 2 years, and some products I really do like it because they are like small little products or whatever. And yeah, but the past 2 months, maybe 3 months, I haven't really been like all that crazy for my products. And I saw one of my friends open up her BoxyCharm one, and I was really digging that little blow dryer and stuff. So I'm thinking I'm gonna stop with Ipsy and do BoxyCharm. I don't know, I'm undecided. If you have both, you guys let me know what you guys like better. I really want your input on that. But yeah, so I meant to say my best product is probably going to be the brush, and I always pick the brush because I love brushes. But yeah, that is about it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. I actually will be doing one and uploaded tomorrow because I have new palettes that I've been waiting, and they're here finally, and I can't wait to do a look for you guys. Just bear with me because I wake up super early, go and teach the dancing to my clients and stuff, and I do not get back until really late at night, and by the time I get here I'm exhausted. So, but that being said, no excuses, and just get my shit together, and I will be doing those makeup looks for you guys, and that way you guys can try to see how these palettes work and if they are worth for you guys to spend the money on them. But anyway, that is about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.